Struts and springs are some of the most important suspension components on your vehicle, but because they take a lot of wear and tear supporting the vehicle, they need to be replaced over time. Your strut and spring are responsible for setting the ride height of your vehicle and giving you a comfortable, stable ride. Struts and springs are also responsible for bearing the weight of your vehicle at all times, including braking and cornering. Worn-out struts and springs can lower gas mileage, cause premature tire wear, increase braking distances, and give your vehicle a rough, bouncy ride. At GSP, we're dedicated to supplying you with new, high-quality parts to keep your vehicle driving comfortably and safely down the road. Worn-out struts and springs give signs of age once they've reached the end of their service life. These include rough or bouncy ride quality, clunky over bumps, uneven tire tread wear, improper ride height, and visible wetness on the strut body. Once you've determined your vehicle's strut or coil spring is worn, finding a new high-quality replacement strut combo is the next step. Every GSP strut combo is designed to OEM specifications to ensure fitment right out of the box. Because our coil springs are designed to each vehicle's OEM specifications, they provide optimal performance. GSP strut combos use a tri-lock piston and rod seal. 2 inner seals lock the gas and oil in the strut body and keep water and debris out. Our strut combos also feature a dual-layered chrome piston rod for superior protection against corrosion, even in the harshest conditions. Because we use silent ride technology on every suspension component, our premium isolator bushings give our struts a longer service life, dampen road vibration, and give a perfect OE fitment. Now you know a little bit more about how the suspension on your vehicle keeps your car riding smoothly on the road. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information and to order a new high-quality strut and coil spring combo for your vehicle.